Brian Rassi, CEO and co-founder of Instigate. We help business owners and entrepreneurs access the right money at the right time in the right way to finally fulfill their mission and vision for the business. We're from Jacksonville, Florida. Met Allie searching online. I wanted to find different systems. I've used a lot of different systems over the years. HubSpot, Salesforce, SAP, you can name it. I build systems and I was annoyed with a lot of them. They weren't giving me the flexibility for the customization of our business and what we do. We ended up searching for GoHighLevel, and it became very evident that Allie was very experienced in GoHighLevel. I didn't want to go through the endless painstaking hours of learning and doing another system. So after getting in and seeing the level of depth of the videos and the information in there, it became very apparent that she was the right person to go to take it to the next level. And I'm glad we did. As we've been building it out, it's just been very refreshing to know that I can go to Allie and instantly get things on demand. So I'm not wasting my time on things that I think I need or I don't need or where I need them, how to do it. We had a lot of customization with our tech team in GoHighLevel. And like I said, we didn't want to take the months that necessary to learn a new system. Just go ask Allie for her expertise. And it's made our project go faster and quicker and faster and quicker. And I'm convinced that GoHighLevel is a great system. But like I said, like any system, you got to have you got to put it into the right motion. You got to use it correctly. There's an art to it. And I think Allie has the art on how to work. And she's so in depth on where things go. It was very interesting. There was a conversation I had about what we were doing and she instantly picked it up. So she's very in tune with her intuition and on how the business flows and functions like that. And so it wasn't like I had to go repeat what I needed to get done or how to get it done or whatever needed to get done. We were getting it done. And so that was the most important thing, was speed, expertise, ease of use, and the ability to work with custom projects, and everything was here. It's interesting, why I would go with Allie would be for two things. One is, it's one thing to be very proficient in GoHighLevel. Another thing to know marketing, like to actually know the functionality, how to read the percentages, the things like when to scale, how to use this tactic with this tactic and move that in. That takes years. That takes years to learn, A, to do it, B, she's proven it. And you're just instantly, boom, you're there. You just upload. You just went boom right there. Not only in the system, but in the expertise. And then obviously great facilities. The food's good. The accommodations are great. You're around a little bit higher caliber of entrepreneurs and business owners because they see it. They see the power. They see the power of this niche. Marketing is important. It's only important when you have the right people and things around you so you don't lose your shorts. And that's why I would highly recommend Allie Bloyd.